Hey everyone, I bought and tested these budget telephoto lenses so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're like me, you love capturing distant subjects without breaking the bank. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 budget telephoto lenses that deliver quality without the hefty price tag. Let's dive in. Product number 1. Canon EF 75-300mm f4 to 5.6 renewed. When I first got my hands on the Canon EF 75-300mm f4 to 5.6 telephoto zoom lens, I was excited. I've always wanted to explore the world of telephoto photography, and this lens seemed like an ideal starting point. After attaching it to my Canon SLR, I headed to a nearby park to test it out. I was immediately struck by the clarity of distant objects. The autofocus was responsive, allowing me to capture moving subjects like birds and kids playing without much hassle. The lens measures about 8.9 inches long, and though it's a bit hefty at 1.36 pounds, it felt balanced on my camera. I could comfortably hold it for extended periods without experiencing fatigue. Now, diving into the pros and cons, I really appreciated the 4.9-foot minimum focusing distance, which made it easy to get up close and personal with my subjects. The zoom mechanism was smooth, allowing me to quickly adjust my framing. However, one downside was that the f4 to 5.6 aperture range limits performance in low light. If you're shooting during sunset or indoors, you may struggle with getting enough light. Also, keep in mind that the lens is a bit bulky compared to other options, which might not be ideal for travel. So why should you buy this lens? If you're looking for an affordable telephoto option that offers great image quality and versatility for outdoor photography, this lens is a great choice. It's perfect for wildlife photography, sports events, or simply capturing those candid moments during family gatherings. With a price tag around $152.99, it's a steal for anyone serious about photography. Product number 2 is the Canon EF 75-300mm f4 to 5.63 telephoto zoom lens in black. I've got to say, this lens feels like an old friend. After using the renewed version, I was eager to see what this black beauty had to offer. Just like the renewed version, it boasts a focal length of 75-300mm, which is perfect for capturing distant subjects. I took it out for a day of shooting at a local football game. The clarity at full zoom was impressive. I could see the players' expressions from the bleachers. The lens weighs in at 1.1 pounds, making it a tad lighter than its renewed counterpart, which was a pleasant surprise when carrying it around. The construction includes 13 elements in 9 groups, which helps reduce distortion and improve image quality. I found that the micromotor focus adjustment was quite effective, making it easy to lock onto my subjects. However, the same aperture range limitations apply here. Low light situations can be a challenge, and I found myself bumping up the ISO more than I would have liked. Additionally, some users might find the absence of image stabilization a drawback, especially when shooting at maximum zoom. In terms of why you should buy this lens, it's all about value. For about $197, you're getting a reliable telephoto lens that delivers excellent performance for the price. Whether you're into sports photography, wildlife, or just want to take stunning portraits from a distance, this lens won't disappoint. If you're a Canon user on a budget, this should be high on your list. Product number 3, Phone Camera Lens Kit. For those of you who prefer using your smartphone for photography, the Phone Camera Lens Kit from Cosalon is a game changer. I was skeptical at first about how effective a clip-on lens could be, but after testing it out, I was pleasantly surprised. This 4-in-1 kit includes a 22x telephoto lens, 205-degree fisheye lens, 0.67x wide-angle lens, and a 25x macro lens. The versatility here is fantastic. I took it on a hike and it was lightweight and easy to carry. The adjustable clip made it simple to attach to my iPhone and I was ready to shoot. The 22x telephoto lens blew me away. It brought distant landscapes and wildlife into sharp focus, capturing details I never thought possible with my phone camera. The image clarity was enhanced thanks to the advanced blue light optical glass, which minimizes glare and ensures true color accuracy. However, be warned, the quality can vary depending on your phone model. Some users with older devices might not experience the same level of clarity. The pros of this kit are its portability and the variety of lenses you get for the price of $39.99. It's a steal. That being said, the quality of the materials feels a bit plasticky, and I did notice some lens flare when shooting directly into the sun. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution to enhance your smartphone photography, this kit is a fantastic option. It's perfect for traveling, concert photography, or just capturing everyday moments with added creativity. Product number 4, 2060x Zoom Telephoto Lens. Next on my list is the Evil Eye 2060x Zoom Telephoto Lens. When I first unboxed it, I was impressed by the build quality. This lens is crafted from CNC aluminum alloy, making it durable and lightweight. Weighing in at just 3.67 pounds, it was manageable to carry around during an outdoor photography session. The 2060x magnification range is astounding. It allowed me to shift from a wide view to capturing intricate details seamlessly. Whether I was photographing birds or distant landscapes, this lens did not disappoint. The HD optical gloss really shines, delivering minimal distortion and exceptional color accuracy. I found the focusing system intuitive and easy to use, which is crucial when trying to lock onto fast-moving subjects. However, one downside is the size. It can be cumbersome to carry compared to smaller phone lenses. But why should you buy this lens? If you're serious about outdoor photography and want the flexibility of a zoom lens without spending a fortune, this option at $169.98 is worth considering. Perfect for bird watching, hiking, or even stargazing, it brings distant subjects into sharp focus. Plus, the included tripod adds stability, which is essential for capturing clear shots at high magnification. Product number 5. Evil Eye 18x Telephoto Lens. This little gem is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their smartphone photography without breaking the bank. It retails for only $19.99. The lens is lightweight and easy to carry, making it a great companion for outdoor adventures. I took it to a local sports event and it performed admirably. The adjustable focal length allows you to zoom in on distant subjects effortlessly. I found the BAK4 prisms and FMC lens worked wonders in reducing glare and dark edges, resulting in vibrant, sharp images. One of my favorite features is that it doubles as a monocular telescope. With the eye cup attached, I could easily switch between photography and viewing distant objects, a fun feature for nature enthusiasts. The only downside? The universal detachable clamp can be a bit tricky to align perfectly with your phone's camera, which requires some patience. Why buy this lens? If you're looking for an affordable way to elevate your smartphone photography, this lens is a no-brainer. It's compact, versatile, and performs well for the price. Whether you're at a concert, hiking, or just out and about, it's a handy tool to have in your pocket. So there you have it, my top 5 best budget telephoto lenses. Whether you're a Canon user or a smartphone photographer, there's something here for everyone. Don't let a tight budget keep you from capturing stunning photos. Grab one of these lenses and start exploring the world through your camera.